What's up, YouTube? It's Jazz. It's about lunchtime and the boys are asleep, so I decided to make some lunch. So y'all have to excuse my hair. I'm trying to lay my edges. Anyway, I'm about to make some spaghetti and I decided I guess I'll make a video and show y'all. If you are new to our channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we make a video. So yeah, let's get into the video. I've already got most of my ingredients together. This is some of our seasonings. This is an Italian seasoning mix that I actually bought out of the store. I'll show you guys. Actually, this right here. It has so many different herbs and seasonings in it. It's very flavorful. But we got our seasonings. I already chopped up my onion, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Some diced tomatoes, our meat, and our spaghetti sauce. Oh, and noodles, of course. So first I'm going to start with our meat. Okay, Ada Fritz wants to show y'all our ingredients. I'm the cameraman and the person cooking, so once I finish cooking this meat, I'll be back. Now that the meat is about halfway done, I'm going to add my own seasonings that I like. I put all of my seasonings that I wanted in there. Now I'm going to finish cooking it and I'm going to drain it and I'll be back. I've drained my meat and the meat is done. So now I'm about to start adding my onions. And bell peppers. Now, some people like to add their onions and bell peppers when they're cooking the meat, but I don't like soggy. Hold on. Kids interrupted me. I was saying some people like to add their bell peppers and their onions while they're cooking their meat, but I don't like to do that because it makes them kind of too soft. I like my vegetables to be, sorry about the lighting, I like my vegetables to be kind of crunchy, if that makes sense. And I also let the sauce simmer so they'll get soft then. Y'all will see. We'll be back. Okay. Now I'm going to add those Italian seasonings that I was telling y'all about. Stir it up a little. And now I'm going to add my diced tomatoes. Lastly, I'm going to add my sauce. Hey, babe. You a pick babe up?
The cameraman is here. The cameraman is here.
I think he... Okay. I forgot to tell y'all a couple of secret ingredients. About a splash of vinegar and... I'm gonna pick the camera up for this ingredient because I don't even want to hear this argument. The sugar doesn't go in spaghetti. I don't even want to hear that argument. So I just put about a fourth a cup. I just put about a fourth a cup in the sauce. That's all. Not all that on top stuff.
You need some to balance it out anyway.
Now I need to find a top. Hold on, be back. our last little ingredients, and now I'm going to put the top on it
and let it work.
And let it simmer till the noodles get done.
Oh. I know most of y'all probably like, we know how to cook. However, there are other people out there that might want to try something different. So we showing y'all how we do it. This is how we do it in Chef Fritz. People, as y'all can see, the food is ready.
Well, we did taste it, so it does taste good, and we showed y'all the finished product. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and like and comment down below other things that you want to see from us. Hit the bell, make sure that you're notified every time we make a video, and until next time, peace.